Let's make my sheet pan fajita dinner that's super quick and easy to make. The whole family love this meal. So what you want to do is choose some vegetables or take whatever you have in your fridge. So today I'm using some yellow bell peppers. I also cut up some zucchini, some onion, red onion, and then finally lots of cauliflower. You can just roughly chop them, but about the same size as the other vegetables, so everything cooks in about the same time. It will be about 25 minutes to 30 minutes in the oven at 425 degrees. So you put that on a pan and then drizzle some olive oil on top. And I made my own little mixture of spices. So I put a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of Herbamare original, some chili flakes to taste, and then basically I just sprinkled all of that over it. And you want to mix gently each vegetable so that everything's coated well with the spices. And yeah, that's basically it. You put it in the oven, it will cook, and you can give it a little toss midway during the cooking if you want, to make sure everything's well cooked and roasted on every side. And then you're ready to serve it, and you could just put some tortilla wraps and some guacamole on the side. I put some fresh cilantro over everything. I added a few lemons. You could use limes instead. It's really super easy. You can just serve the platter like that as is in the middle of the table. It's a fun way to serve a fajita dinner, mess-free. You just have to clean that one sheet pan, and super tasty. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. We'll see you guys soon.